हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम इशिता और मेरे चैनल पे आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इफ यू आर न्यू टू माय चैनल, मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब इट। जो नीचे रेड बटन है उस पर क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें। सो आज का वीडियो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होने वाला है। आई थॉट टू डू दिस वीडियो बिकॉज आई गेट क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम माय फ्रेंड्स अबाउट हाउ आई एडिट माय एस्थेटिक फोटोज, हाउ आई पुट द एस्थेटिक फिल्टर्स एंड हाउ आई एडिट द थंबनेल। सो आज सबका आंसर आप लोगों को इस वीडियो में मिल जाएगा। सो मेक श्योर आप ये पूरा वीडियो देखें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hello guys, so to edit the photos, first I'm going to do the thumbnail. For that we need two apps. We actually need these two apps for all the editing, the PicsArt app and the B612. So first let's go to Google and find the size of the YouTube thumbnail. So here I'm typing the size of YouTube thumbnail. So the standard size of YouTube thumbnail is 1280 into 720, 1280 into 720. So let's go to images and see if there are image I can download. I will suggest you download a white image, like, so I'm here typing white, size of YouTube thumbnail in white. So here going to images and yes, I found a picture that is white and then I will download it. Now let's go to PicsArt. It takes a little time. Then there's this ad. Now we are going to click on the plus sign below. After clicking on the plus sign, so there's this page. Now we are going to click the white picture. We are going to edit from the photos, and now to this we are going to add background. So let's search for an aesthetic background. So in Google you can find a lot of aesthetic background. So I am taking this picture and I am downloading it. So now I am going to add the photo to the already made background that we have made, and now we are going to add this and set it like perfectly to the frame. I am not gonna select this picture, so I decided the other way. You can go to the stickers in the PicsArt page, and there's a lot of and go and search for background. So here you can see there's lots of background. So I click this pink background. Now I'm setting it to the frame perfectly. So now it is done. So now what I am going to do is add a photo. So I am taking this beautiful cute photo of Teletubbies. We all have watched this when we are childhood. I know 90s kid will really relate to me. So here I am cutting out one Teletubby. So for that you need to click on cutout and erase the other Teletubbies. And now I am gonna restore it because it couldn't detect the hand and few parts of the Teletubby, and erase the extra part they have given to make it perfect. So yeah, this done. So yeah, the cutout is done and this is the perfect cutout. Now what I am going to do, I am going to make it a little bigger so that it fits perfectly. Now I am going to again search for some stickers. I am going to search for cute stickers, cute and aesthetic stickers. So yeah, you can see like PicsArt is PicsArt has lots of cute and aesthetic stickers. So from these stickers you can select one. So here I'm gonna select this beautiful black heart. It's very simple and cute. I'm just showing an example about how you can make the thumbnail. So yeah, and again I'm going to search put another sticker, this cute Starbucks cup. Okay, now let's add text. Go to text and type your text. So I'm writing cute background. There are a lot of fonts from which you can select. So like you can select any of the fonts. I'm gonna use this Neglect font. It's cute. I'm gonna set it perfectly, and then you can like add like frame to the font. So for that you need to go to strokes, click on the text, go to strokes, and there are different colors of the outline of the text. So yeah, select any one. I'm gonna select like a reddish one. Yeah, pink is perfect for this. So now we are going to add frame. So let's search for some frame. These are good, but I need some cute frame. Let's search for some cute frames. Yes, I'm searching for something like this. Okay, this is very cute. Let's like set it to the corners of the frame perfectly. So now we're done setting. I'm adding another sticker, cute sticker. So now I'm going to show another thing to you, that is you can use YouTube logo from the stickers of PicsArt. So you have to go to stickers and search for YouTube logo, and there's a lot of logos. So you have to so I click this logo. You can set anywhere in your frame, wherever you want it to be, and yeah, that's done. Now I'm going to save it, and it's saved. This is how the background looks. Now I'm going to show another thing. I'm going to show how to edit, add filters, cute filters to your pictures. So yeah, I'm going to B612, going on edit and selecting one of my photos. Now there you will find effects. Click on effects, not the filter option. Click on effects. Then on effects you can go to filter, and there's some very aesthetic filters you can find, like lots of options there. I personally like milk tea, and this is the filter I like, and dim gray. It's beautiful, I really love it. Another filter I like, which one is that? It's yeah, this one is very cute. Okay, so I'm gonna take this dim gray. Look how cute my picture went. And now there are other options. So I'm adding grains to my picture. It will give a grainy effect, which makes looks more aesthetic. Like it's very beautiful. I'm going to go with the pink grain. Yeah, that's done. Now there are other options up in there, like date, add date, which will add a Japanese, Chinese, I don't know which kind of font it is. And there's you can add blink, you can add glitch, or you can add dust, and there's the last one, that is you can add a light effect to it. Yeah, that's done. I'm not going with any, I'm going with the grain only. Yeah, now let's save it. Now let's go to PicsArt again and go to freestyle. Just swipe down and there's freestyle, then click the picture you want to edit. Now make it bigger, and like, yeah, that's good. Now let's add background to it. Now tap anywhere on the screen, and then you can find there's the options at the down. So go to background, and then there's go to image in between. Then there's you will find a lot of images which are already there from PicsArt. So yeah, find some which yeah, this one is looking perfect with my picture. Now what I'm going to do is add sticker. Let's go to sticker and search for, oh, what kind of sticker is that? Anyway, let's search for a aesthetic sticker, aesthetic vintage. Okay, so I'm going to do a paper cutout. Yeah, I found it, a very cute paper cutout sticker. So squeeze it properly and make a like a cutout effect and put it like in the corner of your picture, so it gives a cutout effect. But I'm not going with this one, I'm going to select something else. Yeah, this frame looks perfect for my picture. I'm going to delete it, and now I like resize the frame. done. So now I'm going to add this beautiful flower. I saw it before when I was putting the sticker. Now I'm going to search for stickers like a text. We are going to add some text, so I'm going to search aesthetic text. So yep, and which sticker is perfect for this picture? I'm going to see. Yeah, this one is a very cute font. I don't know what's written. Love is a beautiful kind of fear. Okay, beautiful. Okay. Now I'm going to show you another thing. You can add like text messages. There are a lot of text messages. I'm just gonna show you how you can do that. So yeah, done. I'm gonna save it. Yeah, done. This is the picture, and now I'm going to show you the last editing thing which you can do it using PicsArt. So in PicsArt, go to sticker, search for aesthetic, just aesthetic. Like we have seen like the Windows panel sun rays effect on the pictures. So this is how you can make it. Go and search, like if the sun is not coming naturally, you can make it like this. Resize it the way you want. Like I'm zooming it a lot and just putting the sun. Now decrease the opacity. This is how it looks, but I just want it on my face, the sun effect on my face. So yeah, then I'm going to set it smaller and then do it on my face and erase the parts which I don't want. Yeah, so this is done. So the other thing I'm going to show you, like we have seen like eyes cut out and lips cut out effect on very aesthetic pictures. So this is how you can make it. You just need to add the picture you want to cut out and cut out the part you want. That's simple. To make add frame to it, go to stickers, search for frames and add frames to it. So I'm taking a very basic frame for this one. Now resize it and set it to the corners of your cutout picture. Similarly, I'm going to do this with a lip. So again, I'm going to take this picture and cut out the lip of the picture, my lip from the picture. Can't speak properly now. Now let's just cut out the lips. Resize it and again add any kind of frame you want. I really saw this beautiful frame when I was framing the previous cutout. It's the like Windows what we used to do now, like Windows Paint we used to use when we were kids and we were learning how to use our computer. And that's that kind of effect and it's beautiful. I love it. So yeah, that's how you can edit. I just gave you an example. I know the edit is very ugly, but it's just to show you how you can do that. Okay, so this is the edits I did. This is the cute background and this is the B612 edit and this is the
I hope वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा होगा. I will be really happy if I have helped you even a little bit. जाते वक्त प्लीज मेरे चैनल को लाइक करते जाइए और सब्सक्राइब तो करना ना भूले. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे. बाय बाय.